to our colleague who is covering the fraud and corruption case of former President Jacob Zuma that's expected to resume at the High Court today. Simphiwe, what's happening at court today and what can we expect?
Indeed, good morning to you, Desiree, and good morning to the viewers of the agenda as well at home. The legal battle between the former president, that's Jacob Zuma, as well as the state, will continue here at the Pietermaritzburg High Court. You'd recall that the former president launched an appeal at the Pietermaritzburg High Court before Judge Piet Koen, requesting him to actually recuse the prosecutor, lead prosecutor in his matter, that's Advocate Billy Downer. The judge then, took a decision that, nope, we're going to throw that application out of court because it does not have merit. The decision to throw his application out of court was taken in February, and immediately after that, the legal representatives of the former president then took the matter to the Supreme Court of Appeal for the application of leave to appeal the decision of this court. And not very long after that, a decision was taken by the Supreme Court of Appeal, which unfortunately for former President Jacob Zuma did not go according to him, dismissing, of course, his application. But the former president then petitioned directly the president of the SCA, that's Justice Mandisa Maya, saying that he wants the president of the SCA to actually reconsider that decision which was taken by the justices of the Supreme Court of Appeal. We are here at the Pietermaritzburg High Court again this morning. I can just certainly tell you that a short while ago we saw the spokesperson of the Jacob Zuma Foundation, Mzwanele Manye, arriving here in court. But in terms of what we can expect inside the courtroom, let's speak to our legal analyst. That's Mr. Pumelelo Zigalala. Mr. Zigalala, thank you very much for your time. Back again in court today. In terms of the proceedings inside, what can we expect?
We can expect the judge to inquire as to what really is the hold-up in terms of the outcome of the SCA. I think it's more or less housekeeping issues. Basically, two things in which he wants to protect. Firstly, is the right of the former president as the accused, that the trial must start and end within the shortest amount of time. Secondly, is to eliminate any unreasonable delays that may be there. Most important question, what's the delay about? Is there someone to blame? Can we do something to make sure that that particular delay is removed, and put on precautionary measures to make sure that we're able to deal with this matter? I think for now, the precautionary measure of coming back to court, in this case, I think every 2 weeks, if you think of this date and the next date in which you're going to come back to PMB, he's certainly looking at this matter with very close eyes in terms of saying, I want to make sure that there are no delays in this matter. I want to make sure that everybody will be able to deal with this matter when we start, and the first witness is able to go into the witness box.
If Judge President Justice Maya dismisses the former president's appeal for reconsideration, what then is going to be the way forward for him?
The former president can then go to the Constitutional Court and say, my constitutional rights are being infringed. I'm not been given a fair trial in this matter. I want to present my case. I still hold the view on the wide interpretation of no title to prosecute, that Advocate Billy does not have title to prosecute me. And it's up to the Court to deal with this matter and make sure that they come and give direction.
Clearly, this matter is going to drag on for years now. It's already almost 2 decades.
My prediction is that at the latest, maybe we'll start in November. If not, it may be 2023. I do not foresee this matter starting anytime now, unless if both parties are going to sit down and say, okay, we want the first witness to go into the first witness box. The various legal steps which are available within our law, one may view them as time wasting or maybe style grant type of tendencies, but the other view is of saying, I want to protect my rights. If that legal avenue is available to me, I'm going to use it. I truly believe that it's there to protect me, so I want to make sure that my rights are protected. So while I do that, this particular court will have to stand down, unfortunately, while they are able to deal with this particular matter. At the end of the day, the only thing which is required is justice, and justice must be seen to be done in all avenues, including giving the accused those particular legal avenues that are available to him to utilize at any time.
Thank you very much for your time. That's Mr. Mpumelelo Zigalala, who is our legal expert, basically unpacking in terms of what we can expect inside the courtroom today, and is basically saying that there's still a very long way to go for this particular matter to actually, start in court because of the, processes that are still available for the former president in terms of his appeals. Of course, if the Judge President Mandisa Maya dismisses his reconsideration application, that he still has the Constitutional Court as another avenue that he can still explore, because his lawyers have been vehement in saying that they don't feel that the lead prosecutor in this matter, that's Advocate Billy Downer, has a title to prosecute, and they don't feel that he has the necessary impartiality when it comes to dealing with his matter. Desiree, it's back to you in Johannesburg for now.
Siyabonga Baba Makhanya.